Hey everybody, Rich from CCxRC, bringing you an upgrade update video on my Bomber 2.0. Since I got the Bomber, I have been making a few changes, upgrades, and just overall seeing how I can make it perform more the way I want it to from how it came out of the box. Since my last upgrade update video, I have made several changes. One of which you see here is the Reefs RC rear sway bar. I've also installed a new set of boom racing piggyback shocks, running 20 weight oil in the front, 40 weight in the rear, and I'm running the soft springs all the way around, with the short dual stage spring in the rears. I have also added the Vanquish Stage 1 kit, giving a little bit more strength to the rear end and tightening up that sloppy steering in the front end. In this clip, you can see the nice smooth power that I'm getting from the newly installed 3-slot 19-turn Reedy brushed motor. It has a really nice power band. It's got a good amount of torque for crawling, and it's got a good amount of top end, so you can really get out and throw that Bomber around. Here you get a good look at the Reefs RC Sway bar and the boom racing piggyback shocks in the rear with that dual stage spring in the back. I also installed the incision steering links in the front and also the incision top and bottom links for the front as well. Thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and check out all the links to the parts in the description below. Have a good one everyone, and be safe out there.